let's go take a look at 5 different local businesses on Florida's beautiful Anna Maria Island. Let's take a step back. Anna Maria Island, often called AMI for short, is a beautiful island on the west-hand side of Florida that has beaches that boast the stunning waters of the Gulf of Mexico. On the island, you are going to find a ton of different unique businesses that you can't find anywhere else. And that's great, except for if you're going to the island for only a week, there's no way you're going to be able to do everything that you want to do in that amount of time. Even 2 weeks, even a month possibly. Which is why I'm making this video covering 5 different local businesses so you can really see the beauty and decide if you want to go to them for yourself next time you're on the island. Starting off strong with Anna Maria Island's Coffee Shack. This place just opened up in fall of 2022 and the owners are extremely nice with a really cool story. I'm going to link it down in the description below so that you can read it for yourself, but just moving from New York, they've done a great job with this place. The food is very high quality and the coffee is even better. I even bought a coffee bag for myself to take home because it was that good. The prices on their menu they're way better than I expected, considering that owning or renting a commercial real estate space inside of Anna Maria Island is not cheap. Before you head over there and visit, I suggest you take a look at their Facebook page because it's set up really uniquely and is a lot of fun to take a look at. Next up is Two Scoops, which is a really popular ice cream place on the island, but they have much more than just ice cream. I would think of this as kind of like a 70s to 80s ice cream parlor at the mall, and they have a bunch of different things on their lunch menu, as well as a shop with weird but cool different knickknacks and snacks. I'm going to show you the menu just so you can understand their variety. The next time you're on the island and you feel like you have a sweet tooth, I definitely suggest you head over to Two Scoops. Next up is Sun and Surf Beach Shop, which has a genius way of marketing by placing parrots outside of their shop while they're open.
How are you? How are you? How are you? How are you? Hello, how are you?
We spent a little bit of time getting to know the parrots, which is a lot of fun, and they were very beautiful. Some of them sang songs, some of them said hello, as you heard earlier. Some of them were just there, squawking.
Hi, pretty bird.
Oh, hello.
You can see on the sign that they have rules, which makes you question what people have done in the past. But checking out the birds was really cool, but the shop in itself is really a one-stop shop on the beach besides food. Pretty much anything that you need, they have it there, and it's really cool. The Artists Guild Gallery. This place is very cool. It highlights different local artists on the island's art and gives them a place that they can sell. This is a great opportunity because one of the biggest struggles a lot of artists have is marketing that they really are that good at art. And so many people can come in here and see these different paintings, buy them, and most people would prefer to buy from a local artist anyways. And they provide art classes, so this business is really doing a great job of giving artists opportunity to make money. Good job. My girlfriend and I were looking around, and she is an artist. I'm not. I personally struggle to draw a stick figure, but I wanted to show you some of the most beautiful art, in my opinion, that I found there. And no, I didn't have a chance to look at everything. So if you got left out, don't feel bad because yours are great too. Next is Crysten's AMI Boat Tours. The owner here is a fantastic guy. Him and his wife run this company and they have 3 captains. We were with Captain Clay, who's a great guy as well. And we had the time of our life on this private boat tour. Now they have a ton of different tours that you can take. We ended up doing a 3-hour one to Egmont State Park. But before we get into that, I just want you to take a moment to see how beautiful these waters are. I mean, this beautiful crystal green, I love it. So the state park that we're heading to has a ton of history back in the 1800s with the Spanish-American War. We're heading into a guard gate bridge that's destroyed now, but you can see 3 different cannon spots. This provides for a great snorkeling opportunity. Under there, apparently there's a few different caves that you can dive into. And I thought it was really cool. So this whole entire bridge is really like made out of shells, as you can see in this close look.
This private boat tour is so fun. The owner is so kind. The captain is amazing. All of their captains are great, I've heard. And I've seen such awesome reviews. I definitely recommend when you're here in AMI, this should be one of your #1 things that you have to do.
Okay, so we are having about an hour to walk around the state park during our tour and visit this jail. And I'm going to take you on a short tour of this jail area. There's multiple areas around this whole entire island. It was a really cool opportunity and we had a ton of fun. I'm not going to totally spoil everything for you because you definitely have to do this for yourself. Hey, and just so you know, I plan on doing this boat tour again with them because it was that much fun. So hopefully soon there will be even more video of this whole entire opportunity the second time. Especially because I didn't bring my drone on the boat tour, but next time I want to bring my drone and fly it up and get a bunch of really cool pictures and videos for you guys. Also, you'll notice a lot of turtles and they are fast actually. We saw a couple that just ran so quickly that by the time we got to them, we couldn't find them anymore. But you're not allowed to touch them. Very cool for sightseeing. We ended off the tour swimming around and look how clear this water is. And now I want you to meet Captain Clay, who's a really great guy.
Hey, how's it going, guys? My name's Captain Clay with Crysten's AMI. We offer multiple tours. We have a great 2-hour eco-friendly tour where we go out, find shells, all kinds of wildlife, dolphins. We have a great 3-hour, a 4-hour, and a 6-hour. We go out to Egmont State Park. It's really cool. There's a lot of history out there. Old Spanish-American War fought off there. We also go to Passage Key Sandbar and Jewfish Key and Beer Can Island. It's a great time out on the water. We'd love for you guys to come on out and enjoy the day with us.
Isn't it nice to know that you now have a friend in the real estate business that you can feel comfortable with, that's able to help you reach your goals? Thank you for watching, and if you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in Anna Maria Island, or really any part of Florida in general, my team can help you out, and we would love to help you find your way home. Send me an email with your goals, and God bless you. Oh, and of course, don't forget to share this with a friend interested in Florida real estate, and like and subscribe so that I can continue making great videos like this for you. Do you love Anna Maria Island? Well, in October, I made a video that goes into more details of the beaches of Anna Maria Island. We go and tour some more businesses that are local here. And we go and we take a look at a home that sold for almost $6 million. Go give it a watch. It's the video on your left.